Hi, hello, good morning. So today we will discuss about what are the significances of the texture with an example that is Staurolite with quartz. So that is nothing but a textural interpretation. Uh, how we will do this one? We will see this one. Okay. So it is very common that we can get the quartz inclusion within the Staurolite. So this is very commonly observed in the microscopy. So under the microscope, optically when we view this Staurolite mineral, so we can observe that some inclusions, I mean quartz inclusions in the within the quartz. So what does it indicates? So before going to that one, we will see how do we distinguish this starolite. Okay, so starolite is nothing but it is a metamorphic mineral. Okay, it is a metamorphic mineral. Okay, so it is uh, we can confirm this starolite optically under the microscope through by its yellow color, distinct yellow color, and a strong pleochroism. I mean that is it will be showing you the golden yellow color, okay, on rotating the stage, and it will be having higher relief under the plane polarized light, and it will be having low birefringence, and once we cross they will be showing you the low order interference colors, that is a gray color interference color or yellow color interference color they will be showing. So these are the properties through which we can confirm the starlight optically under the microscope. So, so what do you mean this? So this is the typical texture we can observe in the starlights, especially when they are occurring as a picoblast. Okay, when they are occurring as a picoblast, that is the larger grain in the metamorphic rocks, like in the cystose rocks. It is very commonly we can observe this starlights as a picoblast. So here, if you see under the microscope, they are exhibiting some texture. So this texture we will call it as a Swiss cheese texture in starlight. Okay, so here within the starlight grain, which is the yellow color in the PPLV, and that is this portion. Okay, so here if you see there is a quartz inclusion cycle. So now we will see what is the origin of this. Now we will interpret how these textures are formed. What is this texture? We will let's see. So, what is the origin of this Swiss cheese texture in starlight? So, Swiss cheese texture is a metamorphic texture, first of all, and it is nothing but you can see it consists of a small quartz grains as an inclusions within the starlight. We can say, and we know that starlight can grow at the expense of biotite and muscovite. How this is happening? So, by reactive replacement process in response to elevated temperature. That is nothing but during the course of prograde metamorphism, we can expect this reactive replacement process in the starolite formation. So here, the biotite and muscovite they will consume and to form the starolite. So this is happening. So now inclusions. So no inclusions of the reactants such as biotite or muscovite in the starolite. I mean, it is observed in the starlight. So why it is means because the entire thing, because we know that one entire thing is it undergone for the reaction, like your biotite and muscovite undergone for the reaction, and it was replaced by starlight. So that's why we are unable to find any quartz. I mean, we couldn't able to find any biotite and muscovite inclusions in the starlight. And whereas the quartz inclusions in the starlight, it is indicating that this quartz doesn't take part in the reaction. This quartz doesn't take part in the reaction. That is the thing we are seeing. Thank you. Enjoy learning always and all the best.